Čaute, tu je Kelbež a pokračujeme v našom hraní Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines. Takže po ukončení tutoriálu sme sa ocitli v našom apartmáne. Pozbierame nejaké veci. Sačky s krvou sa dosť zídu. Hlavne teda, ak bojujete proti upírom, pretože z tých neviete vysať krv. Čo súvisí aj s príbehom hry, pretože takýto akt je v upírskom spoločenstve zakázaný, aj keď ho teda niektoré pochybnejšie frakcie vykonávajú. Ale v hre sa nemôže stať, že by vás nejaký upír vysal a ani vy iného upíra nemôžete vysať, takže hlavne kvôli tomu to sa dosť zídu sáčiky s krvou. OK. Tu máme pozvánku od Straussa, tremerského regenta, čo on je niečo v podstate ako taký hlavný, taký minister klanu Tremere proste. No dobre. Pozrieme si maily. Áno, kontaktuje nás Mercurio. Zväčšenie penisu. Mal som hrať za chlapskú postavu, čo už. Áno, toto sa týka určitého postranného questu, nepovinného. Dobre, čiže pôjdeme za Mercuriom. No a tu nám píše priateľ, že hra začína, pešiak sa pohol. Tento priateľ nám bude písať celú hru. Nemám šajnu, kto to je. Už som na to čítal nejaké diskusie a nepamätám si, či sa došlo k nejakému záveru. Myslím, že toto nelockpicknem. Takže dáme si blood buff. A v tomto byte by mala byť jedna knižka a tu je. Takže tu máme knižku, návod ako byť dobrým vojerom, prečítame si ju. Zvýšili sa nám nejaké schopnosti, myslím, že stealth. Tu máme nejakú vraždu, ktorá sa stala na Mole Santa Moniky. Teraz myslím, že v tomto byte nič nie je, ale bude dôležitý v rámci nejakého questu neskôr. Tak, pozrieme sa do schránky. Má popreškrtávané meno. Pretože hlavná postava nemá dané nejaké konkrétne meno. To si môžete zvoliť na začiatku, ale v podstate ho nikde inde neuvidíte, než pri hackovaní. No, keď pristupujete do počítačov.
Hey lady. You got some change, lady?
Ďalší žobrák. No. Pri bezdomovcoch je fakt treba si dávať bacha na to, aby ste ich nezabili, keď z nich pijete krv, lebo za to stratíte ľudskosť. A tých pár trápnych kvapiek krvi za to nestojí. Tu je Mercurio, vidíme, že je zranený a snaží sa dostať do svojho apartmánu.
Yes, is there something I can help you with? Waiting for that blasted tow truck I called an hour ago. I'd rather not wait another second in this part of town, this time of night. Rather a dreadful place, don't you think? You should have listened to my mechanic. Buy German, he said.
No a môžeme ho nejak zastrašovať, alebo použiť na neho dominanciu. Tak použijeme dominanciu.
I've suddenly got the urge to walk down that dark and foreboding alley over there. Care to join me?
No, takže sme ho trošku zhypnotizovali, aby dobrovoľne išiel sem do tejto tmavej uličky. Ľudí na ulici môžete vysávať, ale nesmú to vidieť ostatní. Takže preto sme ho zaťahli do tejto uličky.
Good luck finding a bidet around here.
Ten bezdomovec nás nevidí, ten je momentálne v delíriu z toho, ako sme mu vysali väčšinu krvi. Nás nevníma. To bolo tesné. Dobre, ale do šaškovania ideme za Mercuriom.
those mothers ripped me off. I'm dying here. Yeah. You looking for the astrolite? Oh, I can feel a draft on my fucking insides. They shanked me, the bastards. The blood ain't working no more. My head, it feels cracked. Oh, I think my eyes popped. What is this lump? Is this my rib? Oh, holy shit, my rib is poking through my side? Oh, I'm all numb. You gotta look and tell me. Goddamn chemist. Can't trust any operators in L.A. I verified him. Organizations seem reliable. Guy mixes up speed, his crew sells it. Occasionally does explosives. I set up a drop. I show up at the beach with the money, right? 4 of his guys, they come out of nowhere. Junky pricks hit me with a bat. It feels like I got a friggin' horse kick in it. I never should have gone alone. Amateur move. I should have handled those pricks. Goddamn dirty Cali rat bastards. Those cocksuckers beat me rotten, left me for a stiff. Had to crawl to my car, crawl my ass up here. The vamp blood's the only thing holding me together. But shit, they got the money, they got the astrolite. Hold on, you think I'm some amateur? I got their number. Those small-time sons of bitches live out in a dump on the beach. Maybe 4 or 5 of them. The one's got the explosives is Dennis. Got my money too, that prick. Laying in a pool in my own blood and you want friggin' directions. Right, alright. Down the street, in the parking garage, stairs down to the beach. On the right. Those better not be some of my last words. You gotta get it back from him. Maybe reason with him, maybe break in. I don't know. I want to kill him. Do whatever you people do. I blew it, I know. One more thing. About the deal. I mean it. You tell anyone about this, I'm dead. I'm begging you. I got a way of getting people what they need. You don't say anything, I can help you out.
No, takže Mercurio mal zohnať pre nás výbušninu, našu misiu, ale banda, od ktorej ju chcel zohnať, ho zmlátila a nechali si aj peniaze aj výbušninu, takže musíme to ísť vybaviť. No a tuto vidíme policajtov, ako komentujú na vraždu, ktorú sme čítali v novinách.
Up there. Through that chain link gate and up those stairs.
No, táto upírka má jasnovidecké schopnosti a preto vedela, kam chceme ísť a hneď nám ukázala správny smer.
Help you? Okay, you can go on it. And if you really want to make my night, go ahead and start some shit in there, because I would love it. Damn, I want to hurt somebody. Look at that.
Okay, yeah, listen up, girl. Cash money up front, and that is non-negotiable in your case. So we're clear? I have got not one moral fiber restraining me against hitting a bitch should she get out of line. You understand? That said, what can I do to make you feel like the world is your bucket of fudge ripple with walnuts? like my balls where they are right now, thank you very much. Shit. You have got to be one of the stupidest motherfuckers in existence. What'd I tell you when you came in here, huh? Get the boat ready, boys. We going shark fishing.
No, takže zastrašovanie nám nepomohlo. Musím ich sem nalákať, aby som na všetkých naraz mohol použiť Blood Purge. Bohužiaľ moja postava nie je veľmi silná v pesnom súboji. Keď máte takto skupinu nepriateľov, je dobré si aspoň posledného nechať takto ako lekárničku. Dobre, takže zoberieme výbušninu. No. Z každej zbrane sa dá mať jeden druh iba jedenkrát, takže bejsbalku už nezoberiem. Ale ešte by tu mali byť Merkúriové peniaze. O, čo je? No, čo tu máme? Kradnuté autorádio. Chlapci. No, môžeme sa porozprávať s touto jasnovideckou upírkou.
Abby, no, you are going to China. Why is he smiling? The father. Is it the father behind him? You chased it for the one at the top of the city. On the sea. No, on the ground. You found it in the crypt. It's open. Oh, it's open. Oh God, run.
Toto, čo rozprávam, môže znieť ako náhodné blbosti, hlavne ak ste hru nehrali. Ale ak ste hru už raz prešli, tak viete, že síce je to povedané veľmi v prenesenom význame, ale všetko, čo hovorí, sú veci, ktoré zažijete v hre.
I'm sorry. Sometimes I see nothing. Disregard what I say. I don't know what I'm saying. Forget what I say. Fortune is not your destiny. All of us are unfortunate. Every time I sleep, the future plays out before me. I know the ending. It will end over and over until I cease to dream. I know your questions. For $100, I'll tell you what you don't want to hear. I need money to leave this place.
No, to je veľa, ale dáme jej 20.
Then ask again. The Crimson Ship is not who he says she is, and is going to burn. Dinosaurs. He's furious. The man with the crest. The voice in the darkness. Boss. Chinese brothers. Follow the lights to the end of the tunnel. Where do you want to go? Those with a lot to say usually have something on their mind. There are many unique individuals around the city. It's almost as if they're waiting for you to ask the right thing. E, for example. Men everywhere. Some with swords, some with smiles. But I pity them. You are a remarkable foe. The man on the couch, the lone wolf. All others tread carefully. Whether or not you win the game matters not. It's if you win.
To bola narážka od autorov. Nezáleží na tom, či vyhráme hru, ale či sme si ju kúpili.
Listen, it's like I've told you types about 1,000 times now. We know we can't hunt round here, alright? We're minding our own business. No reason to hassle the weaklings. You mean you ain't here to run us off? We're getting pretty sick of it. Someone's sighting domain, or in the worst cases, hunting us for sport. Dunno. You all seem to have come down with the same disease. Oh, who am I kidding? We're a bad horror show, alright? We seem to be the runts, the mistakes. You types call us thin bloods. I say we're all equally screwed. Clan? See, I've heard all that before, and I still don't know what the hell anyone's talking about. I'd like to know just what I've become. We'd all like to know just what the hell kind of devil's contract we've apparently signed. I just come to town for the surf tournament. Seems like years ago, but it's, well, been about 6 months now. Every night during the finals, I used to hit the local diner after the beach parties fizzled out in the AM. That's where I met her. She had a natural beauty. Not like all the plastic dolls littering the sand. Her name was Lily. I remember introducing myself. The way she seemed grateful for the company. Well, a few nights after our meeting, we were on the beach alone. She tried to tell me what she was, but I didn't understand. And so she showed me. I was furious with her when I took it all in. I cursed her and left, never really knowing what I was. I realise now how she must have felt. So here I am now, a mystery to myself. Clinically, yes, but honestly, I don't know. I suppose I'd have moved on by now if I didn't think she'd show up one of these nights. There's a lot I've got left to say to her. That's what Lily tried to tell me. But what I don't understand are the rules, and the terms, and the reasons some of them are at our throats claiming we're harbingers of the apocalypse. That's what I want to know. Aye, most of them just recently arrived in LA. Got chased off by the Sabbath or some such thing from their home cities. They're more in the dark than I am. They're a good bunch, but well, they've been through a lot. It's affected them. Well, I hope you had better luck than I did. No one's been particularly friendly to me in this city. Only reason we're in Santa Monica is because we haven't been chased out yet. Oh, we'd appreciate it. Oh, before I forget, name's E. The black-haired beauty over there's Rosa. Sees the future, so she says. That nervous bloke is Copper. And the one who can't speak so well's Julius. Kids class with them. They've had it rough.
Evening. It's nothing.
Do you know who the head vampire is? If the head vampire dies, we all become human again, right? Oh. But how about blood transfusions? If I get a full blood transfusion, I can become human again, right? What? Oh, no. There's nothing I can do?
No takže celá táto partička boli v podstate Thin-Bloods, čo by sa dalo preložiť ako riedka krv. A tam ide o to, že v rámci príbehu hry nejaký upír premení iného človeka na upíra tak, že mu vysaje všetku krv a dá mu napiť trochu svojej upírskej krvi. A potom samozrejme aj tento vytvorený upír môže spraviť to isté a tým vznikajú ďalšie generácie. Ale každá generácia je slabšia ako tá predošlá a vlastne keď upír nejakej vysokej generácie, čiže nejaký fakt slabý, premení človeka na upíra, tak tento upír je úplne slabý a častokrát má vlastne pocit, že nikam nepatrí, že nie je ani upír, ani človek.
Yeah? Did you waste those sons of bitches? Good. Great. Hope it was painful. Did you get my money back?
Budeme zlí a peniaze si necháme.
Damn. I could have used that money to buy myself some new kidneys. Anyway. You need to make someplace disappear. A warehouse. Looks to be a Sabat interest. There's a guy. I never met him, but I heard a lot about him. His name is Tung. Bertram Tung. He's one of you types. If there's anyone who knows more than me about this city, it's him. Unfortunately, Tung's hiding out at the moment. Tung's laying low because of Therese. Therese Vorman, you know her? Anyway, word is Therese and Tung are feuding. I don't know the details. Mike takes that Tung thinks he's about to get whacked, so he's gone underground till Therese calls it off. If you want to put that warehouse into orbit anytime soon, you're gonna have to get Therese to call off the feud. She and her sister Jeanette, they run the asylum. Some freaky customers frequent that place. I try not to do business there. She's the woman around here. Power player. Nice looking broad for a dead chick, but personality like stone.
No, takže na pokračovanie našej misii potrebujeme nejaké informácie od Bertrama, ktorý je Nosferatu. Ale ten sa bohužiaľ nejak pohádal s Terezou a teraz sa skrýva, lebo sa bojí o svoj život. Takže to musíme urovnať medzi nimi, tieto konflikty. Toto je ten spomínaný klub. To je nejaký upír. Oh!
What do we have here? Another scrumptious young plaything straight out of life and into my club? You smell new, little girl, like fabric softener dew on freshly mowed AstroTurf. Oh, I'm not frightening you, am I, duckling? I'm the finger down your spine when all the lights are out, and the name on all the men's room walls. When I pout, the whole world tries to make me smile, and everyone always wants to know who is that girl. I am Jeanette, and this bit of chaos crammed in a certifiable giggle is my club. I just love to give you funny feelings all night, sweetheart, but I really must trouble with some business. We'll reunite sweet and soon, I promise.
No, toto bola Jeanette a keďže je Malkavianka, tak rozpráva takýmto podivným štýlom. OK, takže poďme za Terezou.
Your city? Last time I looked, it was called Santa Monica, not stuck-up bitch. Oh, hey, look at you sometimes. Oh, Therese, you really do kind of flattering portrait of me with your turn of the century.
No, teraz Jeanette a Tereza sa hádajú.
You could do nothing but look down.
A my si musíme počkať, kým to dokončia.
Concealing that dirty, diseased mind. Sin! You have no sin. Let's see who is without sin past the fierce tongue. Go ahead and mock me.
Zrkadlá tu fungujú v tejto hre veľmi provizórne. Odrážajú len tak trošku rozmazane zhruba prostredie, ale to je tak všetko.
Please, come in. I do apologize for my sister's crassness if it made you uncomfortable. She's unabashedly scandalous, but in the club business, I suppose that kind of personality is a necessary evil. Therese Borman, yes. I'm the proprietor of this club, and the only person in this city whose good side it's in your best interest to stay on. What brings you to Santa Monica? You're new to this, aren't you? Were you trying to dominate me just now? That was so stupid it was almost cute. Almost.
Takže dominancia na Terezu nefunguje. To funguje len na ľudí väčšinou.
Tongue's exile is self-imposed, I assure you. But then, what reason would I have not to hate that loathsome Nosferatu scoundrel? Bloody Nosferatu. They're so unclean. I'd be willing to put the word out that my grievances with Tongue have been swept under the rug, but in return, you'll have to help me remove a particularly burdensome spirit from a property I'm looking to invest in. Rumor is that a personal item of a ghost may be used to draw it out or excise it from its haunt. While I don't put a lot of stock in hearsay, it's my last option. So I want you to go to the Ocean House Hotel, find an item of the spirits, and bring it back. Oh, I fully intend to do so. You'll find that dealing with me on the whole is appreciably more predictable than dealing with some of the egomaniacs that are my peers. So long as our business doesn't go sour, my word is gold. Before I forget, take this. The only way to reach the Ocean House this time of night is through a tunnel in the sewers. You'll need that key to open the gate for that tunnel. If you'll excuse me, I've got situations to set straight.
OK, takže Tereza nám slúbila, že urovná vzťahy s Bertramom, ale tak pre ňu spravíme jednu vec. A síce musíme ísť do hotela, v ktorom straší, a nájsť tam nejaký osobný predmet toho ducha, čo by ho odtiaľ malo vyhnať. A tam sa musíme dostať jedine cez kanál, takže musím nájsť nejaký... Dobre. OK, takže sme tu. Môžeme vyskúšať vysať aj potkana. Ale to nám veľa krvi nedá. Keby sme hrali za Nosferatuho, tak by to bolo dosť lepšie. Ale v tom prípade by sme v kanáloch trávili väčšinu času. Dobre, myslím, že tuto to je. No a sme tu, Ocean House Hotel. Ale ten prejdeme až v nasledujúcej časti.